All right, build health one step at a time. How can we get started to live a healthier lifestyle? How can we build momentum on this all too important topic? What if you just moved 5 more minutes today than you did yesterday? What if you walked a little bit farther, parked a little bit farther away? What if you got up and stood at your desk for a while instead of sitting? What if you walked around what if you took the stairs instead of the elevator? If we can move 5 minutes more every day, of course you can't do that forever, but you're building momentum. What if you ate one meal of whole and healthy foods today? Um, Live, living, healthy, nutritious foods. Um, what if when you ate junk foods such as pizza, what if you ate 2 pieces of pizza instead of three, two instead of four? What if you ate 10 chips instead of 30? These things add up. What if you ordered a water instead of a soda? What if you took care of your stress by walking in the woods or being outside in nature for 5 more minutes a day, or put the TV down and meditate, put the phone down, shut the TV off and meditate it for 5, 10 more minutes today. How much momentum can we build over time? That's all started. That's a lifestyle change. You start it a little bit at a time, you just do a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, until before you know it, you're living a healthy lifestyle, and you look back and you think, wow, how far have I come? The key to this is just to get started and keep moving. Take the small step. Drink a water instead of a soda. Make walk 5 more minutes today than you would have yesterday. Build that momentum and keep it going. Be persistent over time, and the results will speak for themselves.